Hey, what up, gamers? It's Glenn here. I'm gonna show y'all a little project that I'm working on here. I'm actually gonna replace my Neo buttons with some sound wire. I think these are Mitsu buttons though, but I'm gonna replace these buttons here, and I'm gonna replace my ball top. I got a ball top here for my Neo, so I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of footage here. Maybe of me starting it. You know, that's the ball top there. Of me starting it, and then uh, maybe after the finished product after it's done too. So I'll let y'all see me. I already unscrewed it, and took the bottom off here. And this is actually I already replaced the gate too. You see, that's one of those gate of the wool gates. I like those octagonal restrictor plates. I don't know if you can see that well, but anyway, so I'm kind of just gonna work on this, and then like I said, I'll show y'all the finished product after it's done. So I'm kind of just right now, just kind of gonna remove some of the wires here, some of the grounds, you know, moving those ground wires. Yeah, yeah. So I could take this plate off. So move those out of the way. Got that one. Uh, Take this out. This is just the plate that holds the Neo buttons. So, like I said, I had these buttons for a while, talking about I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. So now I'm like, now's the time to do it. So I'll just show y'all a little bit of me working on this, like removing the removing the old buttons and popping in the new buttons, and maybe I'll do the ball top last or something. All right, so this should just pop right on out. These are the old Neo buttons. I just set these bad boys aside for later. Right, so what up, gamers? We are continuing on with my Princess stick, mod stick for the Neo Geo. I'm about to put the buttons in here. I already got the wires here. I'll let you take a look and see what I'm doing here. I got the wires uh, daisy chained already together here. I don't know if you can see that well, but let's see if I get some light on that. All right, but anyway, I'm gonna just stick these buttons in here. So A is red. A is red. Let me get yeah. Okay. A is red. Yellow is B. Yellow is B. Green is C. And they just snap right in. These are the 24 millimeters. And that's blue. So looks pretty good, don't you think? I think so. I already took the ball top off too. I mean, everybody know I take ball top off. But anyway, let's take a look here. So now I gotta make sense because I gotta make sure all of these are right. I'm gonna just line these up like that. Yeah. So, And then I should just be able to connect all my grounds here. Maybe I'll say that. Well, I guess that. Yeah, I'll say that for last since I'm trying to wire these other ones up. So I'll save the ground for last. But anyway, let me see if I can get these back on here. Now I guess I gotta put a little solder on these. I'm gonna put a little flux on this just to make sure that'll get on. All right. Put a little flux on that. Put a little solder. Actually, you know what? I probably better put these on in the hole. So let me see. The blue one is the blue-green. So that's this one right here. So if I put this one, I should twist that around. Get that in there like that. Is that gonna hold? I hope so. See if we get a little. Solder on that. The line is about. Let's do this. That looks good to me. That looks good to me. I ain't no pro, but that works. What else we got here? Yellow is B. Yellow is green. Green is C. Gray? Gray is C. Triple. So gray. Where you at? Gray. Gray is C. It'd be nice if I could just, yeah, if I could get that like that. Like a whole messed up. Damn, if I get that up lighter would be better, but let me see if that'll work. Alright. Let's try this in the light. I don't want to mess up that wire, but yeah, come on. There we go. Put a little more on that one since I'm in the neighborhood. Since I'm in the okay. Alright, that's cool. B is yellow. B is yellow. Man, that is a stretch. That's D. That's D, huh? Yeah, D is. Wait, that's B. I'm tripping. A, B, C. No, that's D. Green, orange. A, B, C. Okay, yellow. Move these out of the way. So yellow. For me, come on, yellow, mellow, yellow. Come on, mellow, yellow. looks all right to me. And white. White is right there. Can I get to that? Oh no. Oh no. Kinda. This is white. Man, that's a long stretch over there. Alright, anyway, but that's white. Alright. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's straight. That's straight. All those looking good. Okay, all those looking good. So now I'm just gonna do my little daisy chain here. And add these on the negative. Probably should add some solder on that too, but yeah, since that's a little loose, that is a little loose. Let me see how this one feels. That one feels good. That one feels good. I might add some solder on these. I'm just gonna make sure everything working properly first, though. All right. Yeah, this one probably needs to be a little tighter. Probably need to be a little tighter. I figure, you know, these quick disconnects on the daisy chain, I could have did them all this way, but it'll be quicker. All right, yeah, that's cool right there. All right, that's cool. So there's the hookup. There's the hookup. We'll put the ball top on. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. We'll do this. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking them quick disconnect might be a little big too, so I might have to end up soldering it. But anyway, this is what it looks like here. I'll put the ball top on. Can't get the damn ball top on. All right. So yeah, I'm thinking these. I'm gonna have to take those quick disconnects off. But anyway, that's what it looked like. So we'll test it out and see if it's working okay. I'm gonna hook it up to my Neo. All right, what up, gamers? We're gonna check this stick out and see if everything is in order. So I think I'll just restart with the start button. This should look good. Let's see, we'll start. That's the A button. Let's see, down, right, left, up, down. Looks good, so that's the A button. Let's just take a look. Right, that looks pretty good to me. That looks pretty good to me. Let's see if I do a little. All right, it looks all good. So it looks like it's in working order. There's my Neo stick with the mod on it. Thanks for checking me out. Till next time. Peace.